In this video, we'll explore the API Requests section, a built-in tool for creating, testing, and saving API calls directly within SmartestQA. Open API requests from the sidebar. Click New to see your options. Add a collection, a folder, a single request, or import from Postman and Swagger. Select Add Request and give it a name. Enter your endpoint URL, then configure authorization, params, or headers as needed. Click Send. The response appears with the status code and formatted JSON output. Once verified, click Save to store the request. Saved AP can then be reused as steps inside your test cases, making it easy to combine UI and API testing in a single flow. SmartestQA. Make test automation easy and scale your projects faster.